Hey, I'm Brian with Fisher's Off-Road, and in today's video we're going to be installing the Uhmwpe Yamaha skid plate. It'll take us about an hour, so let's get to it. Well, there you go, y'all. That's a wrap on the Yamaha Uhmwpe skid install on our RMAX4. And a couple tips is probably if you have somebody to help you out, that would make it a little bit faster. I didn't have anybody to help me, so I used the jack. And another thing is I use blue Loctite and I use the gel. Then that way when you put it on there, it doesn't all run right off. So just a couple tips for you on the install. Other than that, it really wasn't too bad. You get a boatload of hardware, so it is a little overwhelming when you open it up, but really it wasn't that bad, just a little bit time consuming. $749.99 is MSRP on the skids, and you can get that at shopyamaha.com or your local Yamaha dealer. I'll see y'all. Take care. Have a good one.